In today's video, I'll show you how to add code on Acuity step by step. If you want to customize your booking page, track visitors, or integrate third-party tools, adding code can help you do that. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the Settings menu on the left side and open the Client Scheduling page or Customization section, depending on your version. Now look for the option called Embed Code or Custom Code. Acuity allows you to add code in a few different ways. The most common use is adding tracking scripts like Analytics, Pixels, or Chat tools. For example, you might paste code from tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel into the header or footer section of your scheduling page settings. Next, paste your code into the correct field. Make sure you place it in the right section because header code loads early and footer code loads at the end of the page. After adding your code, save the settings. Now open your scheduling page in preview mode and test if the script is working properly. For tracking tools, you can use browser extensions or developer tools to confirm installation. If you are embedding Acuity into a website, you can also use the Acuity embed code to place your booking calendar directly into your web page. Simply copy the embed code provided by Acuity and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the calendar to appear. Before finishing, always double-check that your page is loading correctly and that no errors appear after adding the code. And that's it. You've successfully added custom code in Acuity and improved your scheduling setup with advanced features. And that's how you add code on Acuity. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.